Universal Music Group and Udio. In June 2024, Universal Music Group, along with Warner Music and many other labels, filed a case against Uncharted Labs, the company behind Udio, which basically creates AI-generated songs. The allegation, UMG said, "You are copying all our songs and training your AI without our permission from our catalog." That's copying. Udio said, "Hey, no, we are not copying. We are just learning rhythms and patterns like how a student would learn music. We don't reproduce the exact sound recording. We are creating new work." Legally speaking, Universal Music Group sued for direct and willful copyright infringement under the US copyright laws, and Udio said it's fair use. But before the case could even reach a judgment, plot twist, Udio and UMG settled. So Universal Music and Udio signed a strategic licensing deal which will allow Udio to legally use UMG's catalog and the artist's work to train its AI system. But this time the artist will be actually paid the royalties, or the label will be. That's a different story. So now the artist will have the option to either opt in or opt out. That made it the first ever major label and AI licensing deal. So instead of banning AI, Universal said, let's bill it. Only Universal has settled so far. There are companies like Warner Music and other labels who are still not settled and who are still fighting against Suno AI and OpenAI's Jukebox and Udio. अच्छा, अब ये तो एक केस था out of so many that are coming up in so many other jurisdictions globally. So let's try and understand the global scenario. So अब US की अगर बात करें तो of course I told you about one of these cases, but there are so many other cases ongoing in so many other courts, and वहाँ पे courts के decisions हर एक जगह पे अलग अलग आते हैं. So it is still in a transition phase. Germany, it went even stricter. Just 2 days back, there's a judgment from the Munich court that came in favor of GEMA, which is the Music Rights Society of Germany. They filed a case against OpenAI and ChatGPT, saying that ChatGPT had memorized and reproduced the song lyrics from the GEMA's catalog, which is a direct copyright violation. And anyway, according to the new EU AI law, AI developers now have to prove that their training data is all licensed. तो EU ने सिंपल बोला है, सीखो लेकिन परमिशन लेके, लाइसेंस लेके. ऑस्ट्रेलिया में भी लोग फेयर यूज़ का एक्सेप्शन क्लेम करने का कोशिश कर रहे थे, लेकिन वहाँ पे भी कोर्ट्स ने यही बोला है कि यू कैन नॉट क्लेम फेयर यूज़, यू कैन नॉट यूज़ एनी क्रिएटिव कंटेंट फॉर फ्री एंड विदाउट कंसेंट. इंडस्ट्री इन सम कंट्रीज हैव स्टार्टेड टू चेंज थिंग्स. ASCAP, BMI and SOCAN, the biggest rights organization for music, released its new AI policy. They said that AI-assisted songs can now earn royalties provided there is significant human authorship involved. If the track is fully AI-generated, then no. So, AI can assist but can't author. Different countries, same concern. AI can learn but artists should earn. And that brings us back home, India. अब हमारा इंडिया का कॉपीराइट एक्ट AI को कोई स्पेसिफिक मेंशन नहीं देता है, which means that any use of your voice, your songs, your copyrighted content without your consent simply is infringement. अब इंडिया में भी तो कुछ केसेस चल रहे हैं. ANI filed a suit against OpenAI saying that OpenAI used ANI's news content to train its model. But this was the time when OpenAI didn't even have an office in India. So they actually claimed that as their argument. But the court is still hearing it, and whatever it would decide, it could actually shape India's first AI precedent. And guess what? India के labels भी कोई शांत नहीं बैठे हैं. So T-Series and every other label is planning to join this battle with ANI. उनका भी point clear है कि अगर AI हमारे गानों से सीख रहा है तो रॉयल्टी तो हमें मिलनी चाहिए, लाइसेंस हमसे लेना चाहिए. बट व्हाट एंड हाउ मच विल द आर्टिस्ट गेट आउट ऑफ दिस is much more important here. And while the law evolves, artists, you need to understand that you have to be cautious about what you're signing. If you're signing with labels, please start ensuring that everything is properly written in the agreement. Start adding AI related clauses and separate royalty for AI training if in case you're opting in for AI. Number 2, register your work properly with the performance rights organization. Number 3, keep your metadata updated and clean. If your metadata is not tagged properly, AI might just assume it's public domain work and your work might be used. Number 4, protect your personality rights, your voice. And number 5, build consent, not confusion. Work with platforms that are transparent and inform you about how your music will be used. Thank you.